Okay, so we're headed to the boys. We're gonna see what kind of specialty items we could find that are healthy and good for us. So I'm about to walk in and I'll be switching cameras in a moment. And we walk in and they have apples, apples, apples. Unfortunately, apples are not my favorite. So here they have some pre-made. Let me get out of the way. They have all the Walden Farms, 0 calorie. Some are good, some aren't. They have pancake syrups. They have salad dressings, vinaigrettes, and then all of the Skinny Girl products. They have jellies and so forth. So that's a pretty good find and a pretty good price. Here they have all sorts of tomatoes. Here they have their fresh asparagus. I personally like the asparagus that are a little bit thinner. And believe it or not, at the grocery store, they were a little bit cheaper. So now I'm moving on down over here where they have some grapes, some plums, tangerines. Don't really need any of those because I'm heavy on some melons, but always good to know that they have them. They carry a lot of specialty type of sauces like light Greek and so forth. They have all of the, get my butternut squash already cut up, ready for the microwave. They have fresh peeled garlic, did want to come this way a little bit. This way. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. They have these new outer aisle sandwich rounds rather, made of 63% cauliflower. They have 120 calories, 1 gram of sugar, no added sugar, 1 gram of fiber, 5 carbs, which gives you a net of 4. So those are good to try. Plus they also have the wraps and pizza crusts that you could use as wraps. Here they have grain-free sandwich rolls, which is made of 62%. See what the difference is. 100 calories, and 1 of fiber, 1 of sugar, 3 of carbs, so this is a little bit less. And these have 9 grams of protein. Both of them do. I'm going to try the everything. Here they have all of their fresh meats. I don't really need any of them, so I'm going to bypass that. Let's see if I can make it to the deli. I don't need anything in the deli. I just want to see what kind of special finds that they have. They don't have it today, but last time I was here they had chicken salad that they made with guacamole instead of mayonnaise, which sounded very interesting. So now I'm at the seafood department where they have plenty of scallops, calamari, I see tuna, several kinds of salmon, mahi, I see some snapper. That in the back is quinoa encrusted sole, which I've had several times. That's very good. Yellowtail snapper, which is kind of what I want. I don't see any swordfish, but it's okay. They have some fresh crab legs, some cooked shrimp with Old Bay. Hi, can I get some yellowtail snapper fillets? They have some pre-made stuff. I don't know if these are crab or salmon, but I will find out. And some steamed shrimp, and we'll find out. We're gonna grab me some. Two. Can I get the skin and the bones taken out? Alright, so we're moving on. They have all sorts of peppers here. Zucchini and squash, eggplants, fresh cucumbers. Here they have all their carrots and lettuces and stuff. Broccoli. We get to the organic section here. And I know I skipped by a lot of potatoes and stuff, but that's... So here they have basically for convenience. I really like to have some ghee. They usually have a turmeric ghee, which is grass-fed, so at least it's a little bit healthier. They have all sorts of cream cheese and stuff like that. They have regular and some non-dairy cheese here, lactose-free milk, oat milk, some tofutti, dairy-free Parmesan cheese. This is the yogurt that I get. I'm going to get a couple of them, but in the meantime I want to see if they have, they usually carry, they have organic, but they usually carry A1 yogurt. And what the difference with that is that a lot of the cows are injected with hormones so that they can produce more milk, and the A1 do not have that. So a lot of times those are better to get. Unfortunately, they don't have very many flavors, just plain, and I don't even see that they have that. So they have dairy-free yogurt. Actually, I think the yogurt is going to be a little bit better price at the supermarket, so I'll wait and get it there. Again, here we're in our organic section. If you want any of the organic onions or squashes, butternut squash. Like I said, for me, it's a time thing. I like my squash already cut up. I'll pay the little bit extra for that. And here we have organic lettuce, organic asparagus, apples, organic cauliflower, have all their parsley, things like that. Over here, cilantro, dill, and again some more organic fruits, and pretty much that is your little finds that you get at the Boys.